I am working on a manga for a year and a half now. Well, comic, however you want to call it. Just to let you know, I don't have a year and a half work of chapter or pages. To be honest, this 3 pages are all I have of the manga. Well, I had give making the manga a break and I just recently started back drawing, so that's maybe why. In this video I want to think about when and how I want to go about it, because I am walking a fine line and trying to give a much particle advice throughout this process, without giving out too much about the story. I also think it is good now to look back on the past Reborn Legacy panels and say how trash it was. Like if now me say my past self-publishing that I would tell him,
I don't like where this is going. Stop! Stop! No.
Now thinking about it, I had completely wasted my time playing Warrior of the Universe. This game was just good. It is the only mini game I was actually enjoying. In this mini game gave me the idea on how to make a masterpiece story.
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap!
Okay, the game alone did not give me the idea on how to make a storyline. Watching Dragon Ball Z inspired me on making this manga. There is just something about Dragon Ball Z that gave me the idea on how to make a good story. There are other animes like One Piece that took a big role on my vision, my foresight on making a good manga. One PQ is the anime with the best foresight in my opinion. It is just well put together, it is so well created. One Piece have one of the beat world design in anime history. As a manga artist, I was inspired by God of High School fighting senses. The fighting scenes in this anime is so hyping. Journey to the West story was the biggest reason why I am making this manga Reborn Legacy. This story Journey to the West has a major impact on my manga storyline. There are questions you need to ask yourself, like, are you an amateur artist? Do you love fan art? Then perhaps you've created a doujinshi drawing. Doujinshi are self-published manga comics and fanzines launched outside the mainstream market. While some are original creations, many are based on existing stories and characters. Doesn't this infringe Japanese copyright law? Absolutely. But violations are generally overlooked, as doujinshi often improves commercial manga sales and is an ideal way for publishers to find new talent. If you're a new manga creator, you will want to know what is the best-selling manga to learn from it. Everyone tends to think it's Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z by Akira Toriyama. But this legendary title actually only comes in second place, having sold over 470 million copies. The world's best-selling manga of all time is One Piece by Eiichiro Oda. This tale of pirates, adventure and fantasy now has over 96 volumes and is still published regularly, so it will probably continue to break records and defend its top position for a very VE. The reasons I am telling you all this is because it will be really helpful to you if you are going to start a manga. My goals on making this amazing manga is so people can enjoy my storyline and chapters. The world in my manga is made up of tragic moments, good plot, and a world where there is a relation of one mistake, and you could die. I am going to end this video here, guys, so make sure you like and follow for more amazing content.